Yo, what's good everyone? So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about the 5 mistakes that make you sound like a telemarketer and not a professional real estate agent. So let's get into it. So basically, open with a scripted robotic intro. Okay, this is the most mistake that all the agents out there they do. Okay, or 99% of agents. Okay, because sounding rehearsed instead of human, using the same opener everyone in your state or even in your area use basically, and jumping straight into the reason for calling. That is one of the most big ones basically as well. Okay, so why this kills your call and every single call you do every single day? Because homeowners can tell within 3 seconds if you're reading a script. Okay, once they label you or a telemarketer, it's over with you. Okay, so better approach is conversational tone. Slight uncertainty is super okay, it's super fantastic. Natural phrasing, it's like basically it's better than perfect wording. Okay, so this is the key, by the way. Like, if you sound like perfect, that's not the best thing as you think. Okay, so talking too fast to like get it all out, rushing because you're afraid of being cut off. Okay, no pauses, no breathing room, sounding nervous instead of the confident way, and all of that stuff. Okay, what this signals: low confidence, desperation. I need something from you. That's the worst thing that you can or anyone can does. Okay, so how to fix it: slow down intentionally. Okay, pause after sentences, let them interrupt if they want. That's engagement. Okay, no rejection at all. So third thing is leading with your pitch instead of their situation. Okay, explaining your service to early and talking about results before understanding context. Okay, assuming they care before they do. That's the big one. Okay, why that feel like super salesy? Because telemarketers talk at people and advisors talk with people. That's the difference, the main difference. Okay, shift to make like lead with curiosity, ask before explaining for them, earn permission to continue. Okay, those are key. Okay, using hype, urgency, or sales language. This is one of the biggest ones as well. Like common red flags: amazing opportunity, act now, this market is insane, you don't want like to miss this out, or anything like that. That is like those words the telemarketers use them the most. Okay, and how homeowners hear this person is trying to sell me something. This is the farthest thing that you can ever get. Okay, replace them with like neutral grounded language, observations instead of claims, calm confident instead of excitement. Okay, so ignoring tone and focusing only on words. This is one of the like most agents out there, they use like the focus on the words instead of the tone. Okay, because the words don't matter. Okay, what matters is your tonality. Okay, saying the right thing the wrong way. This is one of the most like big things that's not gonna get you like the deal or the listing or anything like that. Okay, over smiling through the phone, sounding overly enthusiastic or fake polite. Okay, and the truth is most agents miss that. Tone matters more than like the wording. Okay, as I mentioned, what works better: relaxed delivery, slightly low energy, confidence without friendliness or overwhelmed. Okay, so what telemarketers do versus like the what professionals do, basically it's telemarketers, they rush, they pitch, they push, they over talk, all of these things that you absolutely know because you talk with telemarketers every day and cold callers that are trying to like sell you something or service or listing agreement or listing like appointment or anything like that. Okay, so the professionals, like, they pause, they ask questions. The most like you ask questions to know about their situation, to know about their limiting beliefs in order to know how to deal with them. You listen to them after you ask questions, you respond after that. Like, you respond depends on what they actually said, what their situation is. Okay, the difference is presence, not scripts. This is the key, by the way. It's the presence with them. Okay, to know exactly what there's criteria and their situation and all of that stuff, and to build your like your response or anything like that. It depends on their situation. Okay, the simple rule to never sound salesy again: before you speak, ask yourself, would this sound normal if I said it to a neighbor or not? If not, rewrite it. Super simple. And last thought I have right here is, you don't actually sound like a telemarketer because of what you say. You sound like one because of how and when you say it. Super simple. Okay, slow down, be curious, sound like a human being. Okay, that's how you keep people on the phone with you. That's the most important thing. And if you that's everything. And if you want to know exactly how we put 1, 2, 3 listings a month for our agents without paying any setup fees or upfront fees or anything like that, click the link below, book a call with me, and I'm gonna send you, like, we're gonna hop on a 15-minute call. Like, it's gonna be over the phone or a Google Meet or anything like that, and I'm gonna show you exactly everything you wanna see, and you're gonna see like if you wanna move from there. Until that, have a nice wonderful day and take care.